How to find HDFC credit card number without card. Let's get started. You can launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of HDFC Bank. Once you're on the official website, now you have to log into your account. Go ahead and click on the option of login. Select the account for which you want to log in. Now you can go ahead and type in your credentials and then log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section related to credit cards. Your card details including the card number should be visible there. Often masked for security purposes, you may see the last 4 digits. Likewise, you can also check email for digital statements sent by HDFC or access them via net banking. These statements typically include the full card number or at least part of it. Lastly, what you can do is contact customer service. Call HDFC customer service and verify your identity. Once verified, the representative can help provide the card number or guide you on how to access it securely. So these are the ways to find HDFC credit card number without card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.